Okay, howdy everybody. This is Jim Johnson. I'm standing in front of my family home that was built in 1860, doing a complete remodeling job inside and repairing the outside. So, getting involved with the history. I learned about Mike Byers from the Shine Studios, who recommended him. And I'm very happy to have met him. I'm thankful that he's taken an interest in the history of the place, and he's just done a marvelous job putting drywall on the ceilings, these 160-year-old ceilings, in every room inside the house to smooth them out and clean them up.
So you like the way they look?
I think it looks great.
Awesome.
And I know when it's all finished, it's just going to be worthy of the history.
Well, I'd love to come back here when you have your open house, when this whole house is done, and be able to take some pictures of the house then, if that's okay with you. Because
that'd be awesome. I'd love for you to do that.
Very cool house. You got to have an open house, Jim. I'll bring the burgers.
That's what everybody says.
I'll bring the burgers.
Oh, that's a good idea.
There you go. There you go. Well, how likely would you be to refer Cornerstone to a friend?
I would be happy to recommend you to anybody that I know, because you have really maintained the integrity of the job and the house, and it's been a pleasure meeting you and working with you.
It's been a pleasure for me as well, Jim. I surely appreciate it. Well, thank you so much. We loved having the opportunity to work on this house, and again, I'd love to see it when it's all done, so please let me know when that happens.
I certainly will do that. Thank you.
Thank you, Jim.